everybody, and welcome to another Brazilian language lesson. Today, you're going to learn, você vai aprender 5 maneiras, 5 ways to say, de dizer eu concordo, I agree, em português, em português. Vamos começar? Então a primeira coisa que você vai dizer de fato é eu concordo. That really means I agree. So if somebody asks you something, you can just say eu concordo. Or if they are saying something, you can say eu concordo, maybe with that. I agree with that. Eu concordo com isso. Eu concordo com isso. Alright? That would be like this. Isso. If you speak slowly, you're going to say com isso. But if you just say it in a normal pace, you're going to say com isso. Eu concordo com isso. Alright. Number 2, você está certo. That means you are right. Você está certo. Now, that's for a man. And if it's a woman you're speaking to, then you're going to say você está certa. Você está certo, você está certa. Now we have a word here, certíssimo or certíssima. That would mean you are very much right, or you are right a lot. Like you're super right, something like that. So, você está certíssimo for a man. Now, for a woman, you have to say você está certíssima. Você está certíssima. Alright? So, next one, number 3, você tem razão. I'll explain this in a little bit. Você tem razão. Now, that literally means you have reason. But, you know, what we want to say here is that you're right. You have, you know, you are in the state of being right. So, você tem razão. You have, você tem razão, reason, meaning you're right. Now, if we want to say, for example, you have all the reason, then we use this, which is very common. Você tem toda a razão. Você tem toda a razão. For example, let's say you and I are complaining, we work together, we're complaining about our jobs, and then I say, you know, I do as much work as Dan, and he makes $300 more a month than I make, you know? And then you can say, você tem toda a razão. Like, I'm gonna just go and talk to my boss and ask for a raise. And you can say, você tem toda a razão. You're right, you know, that's not fair with you. So, você tem toda a razão. In this case, it doesn't matter if you're talking to a woman or a man, you just say, you have all the reason, or you have all the right, or something like that. So, number 4, remember, you can say, você tem razão. You're right. Você tem toda a razão. You have all the right, basically. Or you have, you are all the right. Something like that. Number 4, você está coberto de razão. Now this, coberto, means covered. Now, covered, you have to agree with, if you're talking to a guy or a girl. So covered, coberto, for a man or something that is masculine. And now coberta, that would mean for a masculine, feminine word, or when you're addressing a woman. So, você está coberto de razão. This literally means you are covered with reason. Basically, you're all right. I mean, everything you're saying is right. You're covered in in right, so to speak. Like you have everything is right about what you're saying. So, você está coberto de razão. Ou, for a woman, now repeat, você está coberta de razão. That would apply for the same situation as had before, like if you're complaining about something, or maybe you go to a restaurant or store and then the manager is talking to you and they say, you complain about a product or something, and they go and say, você está coberto de razão. That means you're right. I mean, you know, everything you're saying makes sense. Number 5, isso é verdade. That is true. Or this is true. What you're saying is true. I agree with you. Isso é verdade. Very good. Now, how about we just repeat all of them so you memorize them a little bit, and then make sure you watch this video again and repeat. So, first one, eu concordo. Eu concordo com isso. Você está certo. Você está certíssimo. Você tem razão. Você tem toda a razão. Você está coberto de razão. Você está coberto de razão. Isso é verdade. Isso é verdade. Alright, my friends, so again, if you enjoy this kind of content, make sure you leave your comment down below. Also, let me know some things you would like to learn in Portuguese that I'll sure bring it to you right here. Alright, and make sure you also like this video, subscribe to this channel if you haven't yet, because it's an amazing channel. I'm gonna bring so many videos for you to teach you Portuguese, and also share this video with people you think might want to learn Portuguese or are interested in the Brazilian culture.